What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. And this one, we are back with Tobins 180 and we're gonna make a start on getting all the prep work done because this weekend, all the paint work is going down. So there's quite a bit that we need to get done, but we're not going too full out on this car. The entire car's not getting painted, but most things are. On the weekend, you picked up some front guards, some fresh ones. These are Origin Lab 55s.
Yeah, 55, same as what I had, but the other ones were rinsed, so I thought I'd get some new ones to freshen them up.
And then we're also going to be painting the hood, so this needs to be prepped. Pretty much we're going to be painting everything but the doors, these rear guards, and the hatch, essentially.
Yeah, because the hatch is already fresh, and I'm just going to leave the rear guards till I get the rear tubs done after each stickered.
Yeah, so he's going to get the tubs up in here, redone, and yeah, when you get those done, you're going to paint it. There's no point in painting it now and fucking it up when you go to do that.
They're going to be covered by the wide body anyway, so should be good.
We're repainting the rear fiberglass guards that are going on, but you're having those fixed at the moment, eh? Getting some holes.
Fixed up, and he's going to come around hopefully tomorrow and put them on the car and finish them up there, and then they'll be ready for paint.
Still a few holes in the engine bay that need to be covered up. There's that one there, the far one, and was there any others, or was it just those two?
No, that one, and the two factory loom holes. And this one, I can't remember what I had going through there, but yeah, that one. And then the other bros come around tomorrow to fizz them up. It should be good.
Guys, get excited because once this thing gets painted, this is going to look like a brand new car.
Oh yeah, it'll give me the motivation to get everything else done.
As you can see, Tobin's already made a start on prepping the roof. So yeah, this is our one thing that we're doing. Getting rid of the glittery, going just to black.
Yeah, straight black, look way better.
Genuine Ganadors.
Yeah.
Genuine Ganadors.
Genuine Ganadors.
Not the reps.
No, not reps, not the shitty GK Tech ones, but yeah, they're actually genuine Ganadors, so they'll look good once they're all painted up too. They're going black, same as the roof.
Yep.
Thought the tie embedded black mean rather than being blue like the car, but yeah.
Yep. As you crack your brand new front guards.
Skin on them.
Alright, we are going to start rambling on and we're probably going to make a start on doing the prep work. I don't know what I'm going to do. What are you going to do?
What should I do? I might start on the roof if you want to start on the bonnet.
Right, sounds good.
Yeah.
So we've been at this for probably like 20 or so minutes now and we're making some good progress. I've gone over this whole thing once, as you can see, and then I'm starting to go more in depth over this side to start with, and then yeah, we'll go further over. But actually, I'm surprised at how straight your hood is.
Yeah,
for something that's 30 years old, this looks pretty decent.
Did you see the wee bit there that was like caught by?
No, I didn't notice that actually. Buzzy.
Yeah.
When did that catch fire?
Shannon Ribbon caught fire actually. Any surprises there?
Yeah, nah, not really. This is coming along good.
Yeah, it's still quite a bit. Not the good door.
So I suppose sanding all the metal flake in this is making the job a bit harder, but it's coming out good.
So I got drunk back in the day and thought it'd be a good idea to always stand up on here and stuff. But yeah, no, it's not a good idea now that we're trying to make a mint.
Note to you guys out there, don't get drunk and stand on your cars. We've all done it.
If you're skinny enough, you can walk down the back.
What's that?
If you're skinny enough, you can walk down the back window. I got dared to do it one night and I did it.
Didn't break the window?
Break, no.
Another 10 minutes on and haven't made too much progress on the hood, but this has quite a thick layer of clear coat. So I was using 180, but I've now stepped down to 80 grit. Just going to quickly use that to try and get a lot of this clear coat off. But yeah, hoping that the 80 grit will speed this process up a bit, because yeah, like I said, there's a lot of clear coat on this, but it's coming up good. It's not too bad. It's the next day on now. Me and Tobin finished up last night on his 180, got quite a bit of work done. We pretty much finished the bonnet for prep. I ended up running out of 80 grit sandpaper, so needed a bit more to finish off that, but Tobin got the roof done, and he actually also made a start on sanding back the primer over the engine bays. Needed a going over with 400 grit just to make it super smooth. And today his mate is actually going round to his place to weld up the holes on the firewall, and I think Tobin's going to do a bit more prep work. But yeah, I'm filming this now because I want to get this video up. Initially I was planning on doing all the prep in one video, but I'm going to split it up into two because yeah, just like I said, I really want to get a video up tonight. I'm actually filming this the same night that it goes up. Wanted to get a video up because I didn't get one up yesterday. Supposed to be doing some work on this over the weekend, but I ended up having a lazy weekend with my girlfriend and just chilled out, didn't do anything on the cars. So yep, that was why I had no upload for yesterday. But we got some new parts for it. Big shout out to Phoenix Performance for hooking me up with a good deal on a brand new intercooler and radiator. So yeah, now that those have shown up, we can finish off the intercooler piping for this, which I'm super stoked about. Because yeah, we were waiting on the intercooler to finish off the piping. So yeah, now that that is here, already told Robbie that it's here, so just waiting on him to let me know when he's got time to finish it off. Little update on the tune. Initially I was supposed to be getting the tune done last week on Thursday. It's Tuesday now that I'm filming this, and the new tune date is actually next Friday. So I've got the rest of this week and pretty much all of next week to get this thing ready for the dyno. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but having pretty much an extra 2 weeks to get it sorted is taking a huge weight off my shoulders. It did mean that I was able to chill out on the weekend and not do too much, because yeah, we went super hard on this. The last few videos that you guys saw, over a couple of day period, I got the whole motor completely disassembled and reassembled. We got the motor and gearbox in the car, and as you guys saw in the last video, we did get a bunch of fab work done. Love the Screamer. Can't wait to get it finished off with the teardrop tip going off, but yeah, nah, this is looking good. So we can take the hot side off of this now, put the exhaust gasket on, put all the studs in, and get everything in there for good. Something I'm going to be doing today that will not be in this video but will be up tomorrow for you guys is I'm going to start putting all the front back onto the motor. I've just sat these cams on there because it looks cool for a photo. These have got to come back off. I went and picked this water pump off the 25 up off the block that's in storage. Then I'm going to get all the timing kit stuff on. I've got a brand new timing kit for it, which is in here. Yeah, right there. So once all that's all sorted, I also want to get the power steering all hooked up. I'm changing the reservoir. This is an S14 reservoir. I actually do have a factory Cefiro one. The factory Cefiro ones are better because they're metal, unlike that plastic. So what I want to do is I want to clean that up, make it look pretty, paint it, and then we'll chuck that on. I've got pretty much every single bit that I need to get this ready for the dyno. I've ordered some new injectors for it too actually. I ordered some Denso 550cc top feed injectors. I actually have some 550 side feed injectors for a 25 det, but yeah, can't run the side feeds on this. So yeah, I've ordered some top feeds and hopefully they arrive sometime next week. They're coming from Australia, so with the shipping delays, we might actually be friggin' pushing it, and if worse comes to worse, I'm probably just gonna have to chuck the stock injectors back in for the tune, just so we can get the thing running sorted, because obviously being a freshly rebuilt motor, we need to run this in. So yeah, if worse comes to worse, I'll just chuck the 20 det injectors in for the tune so we can run it in, get it going, and then we'll probably look at putting the 550s in and going back and turning the boost up a bit. Some other stuff I want to get done this week is I want to put the entire front end of this car back together. I want to get the fenders on, bumper, lights, hood, everything all on so it actually looks like a complete car again. I'm thinking I'm going to be ditching the 25mm spacers that I currently have on this. Going to ditch them just to see how it looks and see what the clearances are. This thing isn't supposed to be a full-on track build, so yeah, I'm kind of tossing and turning about a few certain things, but yeah, I think I'm going to ditch the 25mm spacers for clearance, and yeah, just run the factory fenders, and hopefully we should be able to get away with just rolling the front guards, and then when we go to prep this car for paint, we can smooth it out, make it look good. I know I'm gonna definitely have to roll the rears, so we'll be doing that this week at some point as well. I'll probably do that in the same video, that get all the front back together and get that all situated. Picked up a brand new brake master cylinder, so we have brand new parts going back into this. I've already got a brand new clutch master cylinder, so yeah, both of those are going to be brand new on this, which is good because we want this thing to look mint. Alright, I think I've probably hit my quota of talking shit. This is probably going to be a 10-minute video now, so cheers for watching, guys. Appreciate all the support, and yeah, stay tuned for the content to come over the next week. There's going to be a lot of sick stuff coming with the Cefiro, and this weekend, as I said at the start of the video, we are painting Tobins 180. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and that is going to be awesome. Once we see that thing fully painted, it's going to look sick.